Hello everyone and welcome to Drama 2026, the channel where laughter is always cooking, gossip is always walking around the neighborhood, and every little problem can suddenly become a very big and very funny drama. Here, you will meet many colorful characters who bring the warm, playful, and unforgettable ilocano spirit of the Philippines into every story. From silly misunderstandings to everyday family trouble, from funny neighbors to unexpected life lessons, this channel is full of humor, heart, and the kind of stories that feel close to home. So get comfortable, relax, smile with us, and now come and listen to the story.
At the time, because it's not your burden, and you know what I mean? It's not, it's nobody's fault except for my own. So I was in really financial trouble just by taking 2 weeks off of doing this, and it was really bad. And I just took 2 weeks off again now, like almost exactly 1 year later, and it's fine. I'm fine. This is a good thing. My channel's at the point where I can afford to do that. I don't want to take another week off for the rest of the year, but that's nice. What up, Salty? You saw that Japanese dude played the Green Rangers with doing burglaries? I saw that too. Was that real? We had Jason David Frank. He was kind of a cool guy. He was an MMA fighter for a while there. And, nice that the finances are more. Yeah, I mean, I don't like to talk about the back end too much. Because like I said, at the end of the day, I'm totally responsible for that myself, right? None of you guys should ever feel the need to do that, but it's a good point. Anyway, we're in the beautiful city of Atsugi, and I'm walking my way down to a mall, making my way downtown, and it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be a good time. It's gonna be great. Like I said, there's a new video up on Patreon. There's actually quite a few. I took that time to do it. And I've just been heavy on the editing. So there's another video coming out next week, Wednesday, hopefully. That one's really hard because I'm narrating the whole thing. But yeah, it's good. Today's gonna be a relaxing day. It's gonna be a lot of walking. I just miss doing this a lot, and I miss you guys. So feel free to talk a lot in the chat about whatever you want to, and let me know how you feel about things. And in general, I forgot. There's this place where I'm going. It doesn't really have a good connection, so I have to connect the Wi-Fi dongle to put my phone on that. Let me do that right now. I can hang out on this. I can hang out on this bridge, or what is this stairs? We should be moving on. It's a good hard up though. Gotta maintain the new abs through walking. Dude, I lost so much weight. Like, I mean, I just also didn't eat for a week, but oh man, this virus, it wasn't fun though. I can't recommend it, but shit, man, I saw like my cheeks getting, you know what I mean? When you see your cheeks going on the inside, it's time to stop. You know what I mean? Like, it was not good. It was so bad. I had such a horrible couple of weeks. Man, it's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. So, yeah, no, but I'm here again. We're good. And I survived. Both of us did. And now we're good. Everything is good in the 4am laundry household. So that's nice. Pumped for Forza 6. I saw that trailer. I'm pumped for it too. I don't know if I'll get it because I honestly I didn't even play video games. That's how sick I was. Like, I didn't have the energy to focus on a video game. I just kind of sat on the couch and looked at. You know what I mean? I had like the 1,000-yard stare. Just waiting for the next bowel movement because I know it was gonna come. It was, you know what I mean? Just no energy. Toast with jam. I already had an egg salad sandwich. We're not gonna go too crazy with lunch because I don't want to push it. You know what I mean? Not too many coffees and stuff. But what's up, Gonzo? Yeah, we back, baby. But we're gonna take our time. You know what I mean? I haven't done this for 2 weeks, so I gotta get back into it. But yeah, I'm very excited for Forza 6. What up, Strang Dammer? Glad to see you guys. Thank you guys for hanging out in my Discord. One more time, join the Discord if situations like these happen again, because then you can just, you know, a lot of you were very supportive. Okay, we got also I got a haircut. My haircut's kind of fucked up. You guys want to see my haircut? Thank you. Look, usually I got my hair in a ponytail, right? I got the little man bun, but I didn't have it because I washed my hair. I went to the barber and I was like, could you cut it to like, you know, kudasai, like to my fucking shoulders. And then he gave me like the divorced mom haircut. Cause I guess, like, I knew, like, I always shave this part, right? Oh, it's hard with the wind to show you exactly. But instead of like the ponytail, I guess he just didn't realize I wanted the ponytail like usual. Cause I had it like long, and then he straight gave me like a bob cut. Like I got the Karen. Like I straight up have the Karen. He still cut the under part, so it's nice and fresh. But he gave me the Karen. Like I totally thank you, Destiny, for the prime. So. Yeah, I got the heart. It's a horrible haircut, but it's beanie weather anyway. And if I put my hair in a man bun, it's good again.
Thank you.
But I have the care. All right, I need to plug in. Give me like a second chat. I'll give you guys subs get avatars. I have to plug in a...
Mapanan titawan, bakit kan lakaitan, sambutan ta ti agkasar.
Ha? Sigurado ka nga ikasarnak no bilang aklonan ka, Sayro.
Ay, Jesus, no anyas ti imbagak aramidak, sa anak nga glaslas daog.
Jak pa'y mat nakasagana, Sayro. Ikanak pa iti panawin amang panunot iti dayta, ah? Ngam no di ka makauray, nawaya ka sumapol iti sabaling armam.
Ay isaan, jak sumapol iti sa balay. Taas ka lang tinangriing, itinabayagan anak at turog ariknak nga agayat manan.
Bola.
San man? Agpaisaw ti ibagbagak Mildred.
Anya magdato nga kaldero nga agtin nagpailang mag.
Alay, agong ungot samat ti gabsat mau.
Kasta na day tano at da umay agarom kanyak sayro.
Ay, ay sa bagay, way, nalaw ko na ita. Nakamisot na ka na yung umayak dito balayaw.
Bye-bye, Di mo panpansinin. Gagangay na, tabaket nga minabalasang. Nalaka nga agong unget.
O ilaw, sa gabing madilim, larawan mo neneng, nagbigay pa sa'kin.
Ne, asino di agkan-kanta itarwar? Imposible nga agkaruling day takat nalpas matante December. Kan o ilaw mat ya kansyon na. Ay, kita man itari daw, kiti. Ne, mat gayam tede nga kalugaran mi data. Oy, tede, apa nga kan-kanta kay ta?
Ay, naimbang na oras mo, Nana Hilda. Haranaag ko pa ni Manang mo.
Ay, ni manang kumanan?
Ada ka din ni Manang mo, Nana Hilda?
Ay, awan. Siyak ta day to'y balay me. Ang oray awan ni manang kwakat, agkanta kalata.
Ay, kunak no adda. O sige, baliwag to nga ron ti umay nana.
Kat agkanta kalata at adenggak mango. Adak mat nga agdengag.
Sige pagbigyan ka nana. Tumawa ka, bakit hindi? Tawanan mo ang iyong problema.
Ni, anyat katkatawam nga tidi.
Ay, kwa. Pasuti kanta na ita, panagkatawak na. Tawanan mo ang iyong problema.
Nagloko dato nga taon. Tatay nga, kuha nagmayat ti kansyon na. Ngam hindi, nag-request akman maditi kansyonan.
Apay, adapay plano maya makiasawa Mildred.
Kumpurmi amanong. Kasla maaw-awi sak nga rod manen ang makiasawa. Takasano, nagaduda moten nga kursunada kanyak.
Kasano kat papintas kamot nga minapapintas. Nagkikiting pa yun nagiti isusuot mo. Pasensyakan ka bagis ngam silang akitaan. Bado nga minti teenager nagiti isusuot mo. Kat na bumakit kan. Saanan nga agmats iti edad mo nagiti kawas mo.
Oray tasaan mo't amadlaw nasurok 50 ti taon ko. Adun to pa'y ti mangibagbaga akasla nasurok lakano 30 ti taon ko.
Kahit mamati ka ba?
Katwan taibagbaga da nga rod.
Saan nga amin na mangig mo apamadayaw na kin kakatagpaisaw? Taadon na kiti bulilikong at tao ita.
Saan mo't siguro, Manong?
Ay, kita ang mga mailawan ka.
Di ka madanagan, Manong. Awan pa'y ti aklunek kadakwada. Tapno armundaklat ta. Nagmayat nga mintirik na ti maaram kat. Makapakilig.
Nana Hilda, umay ko alaan ng tiimpadait ko abado kada kayo.
Ay, sige, apag iso nalpas aminan Erika.
Nasayaat nga rod, Nana.
Sa balimat man ang tilugan mo. Kan ay na, talaga nga naglaeng kan nga ag-drive,
Insurunak ngamin nila kay ko, Nana.
Ay, isurunak man mat nga agmaneho. Sa mundo ipabulod da talugan mo kanyak.
Gatangin nyo langan, For sale day ta, Nana. Tagumatang kami iti sa bali. Tay dakdakkel ti alaan mi.
Nanginan samot data.
Saan? Nalakalaang. Ta saan mo't akabarwan ang modelo. Kun mabalin ti hulugan.
Oh? Ay, mayat nga ro, ano kasta?
Alain yun, nana. Taagsuro kayong agmaneho. Agsapol kayo iti pagpasuruan nyong.
Agpay suma, hulugan data.
Wala na. Awan problema.
Sige nga rod, alakon. Ngam di mo ibagbagay ti sabali nga hulugan anya. Ibagam nga in cash ko.
Ah? Ay, katuan, anana.
Ay, naimbag man, tadaing gatang mo itilugan, Hilda.
Wen man, manong. Ay, di ba, amom taag drive.
Kitwain, nabayag mo na driver, akiday.
Isurunak man nga ron, manong. Uray tangdanan ka.
Ha? Ay, kitwan, lay talaga yam.
Nalaing kamat gayam nga agisuro, manong. Nakasuro adagos ni Hilda nga agmaneho.
Wain, automatic matilugan na. Nalakala amas.
I have to plug in Wi-Fi adapter because I need to connect my phone to a thing. I wanted to do it before stream, but I forgot because I was too excited. Oh wow, this is still in my bag. The Mega Tokyo
Manong sa'yo, papanam.
badge from the Pokemon Center. Which one is this? This from Sunshine City, right?
In cash ko. Umaya ka na lumugan. Papanam nga minaya.
The Yokohama one we still missed. I haven't taken this out yet. Alright, where's that
Sige,
Wi-Fi
umaya ka nga
dongle?
rin. Aglugan kan.
Ay, nagpintas kamit kan Mildred.
Yeah, I can speak to the voice.
Wala. Takababain mo, no damang sarong kanya, no na ang duda.
No, I love my barber, man. He's a good guy.
Naklatak at talaga kanya ading mo.
I love my barber.
Damat lugan
Alright, I gotta take this out for it. We might F.
Kasla, pimintas mutan, hindi at dalugan na.
Ha?
Mabit lang, Mildred, Inakman tulungan biit ni Hilda ng agwasing itilugan na. Padumot kayang ti Kortam, Nana Hilda. Kilat mo na naman ka.
Wana, jak ngamin ang parparangan. Ngam mangirwarak man ang itilugang ko no man.
Agasan mo. Simambakan sa iti panagdadait mo,
Medyo.
Oh, no. I forgot to put this back.
Inakman
Let's put this in the main part.
Ay, makilugan akman, Hilda.
Apay nga Hilda.
We should be okay now.
Nagsintas ka namin.
Are we back?
Aya. Imbag man tanadlaw ko day.
Or did we F? Or are you guys just happily playing slots?
Hindi ti kinapintas mo. Idi awan pailugan mo.
Ha?
We're still live? Okay, good.
Kasla rimwaran ti
Yeah,
kinapintas mo.
good. You guys enjoying that? Give like a second. We'll get back to it.
Kasano? Kat inagaw mo.
Anyway, welcome back to the stream, boys. That was quite the adventure.
Istorya nga Manang Mildred nga
If anybody asks, refer them to the beginning of the stream.
an ko nga ugali tagag-agaw iti sotor Manang. At no isuda ti mang surot-surot kanya. Itartarayak to pa isuda.
Imposible Kat no iluglugan mo ita kanayon.
Kat makilugan dagayam di ilugan ko.
I think I need to
At
restart
pasensya
my
ka,
thing
ano,
though.
babingdan kanya. Awan mabalin ko Manang.
Nalati kaya gapat, kababain kayo no dagitalat pagapapaan yaw. Mabakat kayo. At napay atin yung ubingan iti kastangararabidol yaw. Baybayan yung aminan na kita skutor dita. Di yun panunutin ti may papan iti lalaki. Tikit di panunutin yaw. Kat no sardinun to ti pakaitanuman yaw. Tababakat kayo. Anya ba Hilda? Pakluran ako na.
Ay, wah. Sige Manangan. Manan, I love you to Teddy.
Agyang marak Hilda. Kunak no awan namnamak. No da kwartang dita. Agkasartakit din.
Apa yang aku
masikapay lang taggastos.
Sige, makita to, Teddy.
Kaano nga yasong batang tinataton ko nga ayat, Hilda? Ano awan namnamak, agsubli aglagan kanimanang mo Mildred.
Ay, kwa. Sige, aklonan kan.
Ha? Talaga?
When I love you too.
Oh, thank you, Hilda.
Ay na. Ang sinsin na ron no text na ito duwa nga boyfriend ko. Mayat gayam ah. Uray last trip nga ko nada. Ngam na igulpe mati duwa. Kastoy gayam direk na tanda inspirasyon na. Kasla nga makurkuryente nga kanayon ti barokong. Nagmayat.
Pagruam ka na, tata sa iraw. Kanayunang matang ti makilugan ni Hilda. Kadlo si kati makakanda, makiluglugan kan kwa na. Danunam pa, iti balay, danno pa. Una, ar-kila ag amapan ag palingkay. Imposible ah, agraraman ka man. Pangalam kumangay ti kwarta, mapagarkilam. Agpalpalibre ka kindi ah. Sika ah, di mo ipulagin ti aramid mo. Basta sarding amaw, dasar sarungkaran ni Hilda, tay naklon na kaon. Agayan ayat kamain. Agraraman ka matalak-lakayan. Kadno sakti inaklon na. Hanan ka, apay nga agsipat ka ngay. Ay, dahito yun ba?
Ay, gusto tayo Teddy. Sayro, kapay nga naglaban kayo.
Di mo't agayan ayat tan Hilda. Yung apay nga entertain ang pailang dahito tao.
Ay, kwa.
Lukas na. Dua ka may inaklon mo, Hilda.
Ay, kwa.
Sumungkot ka. Dua ka may inaklon mo.
Ay, ita kayon. Awan kayat ko kada kayo. Kaya kayo. Baka siyak tilugo banda no ibagak tagpay. So, kabutbutang magtagita nga duwa. Liniklikak na ron nagitidwa kadyak kung nagawat itilalaki nga gamit kanya. Nagputangap namin. Amangan kindi no pagkaramitan dak itinagas lumamon dati inaramid ko. Kat uray ti kapsat ko saan magda na nagawat itilalaki amang sarungkar kankwana. Kat ti matlugan ahul-hulugak. Suki, tadyak kung kabalan na bayatan. Tadyak magdan na kabalan. Adik ti mariklik na.
I think we're back.
Nakastan, tugayin mo, Hilda.
It had to happen at least once. When you don't stream for a while, everything kind of breaks, right? But it's good. It's good that I'm doing this now because don't want this to happen. We're at the good stuff. That's fine. I fixed it. Nothing was broken. I just
Wen
had to
kabagis
add it.
dalem.
Now I have a Wi-Fi connection for when I'm in the store without a connection. I can turn on my Wi-Fi and connect to their public Wi-Fi.
Puli tayo ngamin tinasisingpet kabagis.
All right, let's get back to it, boys.
Kahit
What do you guys say we go for a little walk-a-rooney, huh?
Ay, kat nasaya at latamad ah.
It's a beautiful day.
Tanasingpet ka nung amin kadakwada.
Ay, agasam man.
Does the egg come from Chitsu?
Saan? Daan alugan.
Alright, buddy.
Daan pa yung modelo.
It's all out of One Piece.
Isuwati usaran na ama pa nagtrabaho no kwa.
Nabayag mutin ni nato iti
They're,
pagbabayad na kas family driver anya.
They're just about to escape from, what is it called? Impel Down?
Isu akay kayat dagiti amo na.
It's good.
Kasmet laka dagiti anak.
It's good. One Piece is fun.
Awan apulos.
You gotta take breaks from it though. It's just, there's a lot of it.
Awan nailipas ni nato ang kurso.
And it's not all good.
Anak mo kat di adal da.
Alright, let's get off of this riverbank, baby. Thank you for all the subs, by the way. That was nice. I appreciate it. If you have a Prime, remember it doesn't renew automatically. Let's see if we can get back up to magic 600. subs expire, and that's okay.
Ipagdalay. Tadanin nato nga anak ba?
Ay, aday dyan kusina,
But
Naglut-luto,
the
iti
phone
panggabihan,
bills
bay.
do not take
Apay
breaks.
Eh,
Whenever you don't stream, they just keep going.
may pagkapit anak
This
ba?
is nice. This is a nice area. There's people barbecuing
Sumunod ka,
down there.
Manay.
Good to
Pasensya
see you
kayo,
back.
Manggay.
Good to be back,
Diyan
my
makaso,
friend.
iti pangawawisan nyo kanya.
I think I gotta go through this road. There's no sidewalk.
Ay, naganuti pa pala ng
But this is nice, right? Nice little riverbank. We came here once in the summer.
Sos, ano pa ti anak niya?
It's good.
Libre ti mainom mi dyan nataw.
Diyan maging inuman kayo.
Ay, sos, lumalay ka na barang.
Like 200 episodes. I hate to be that guy, but it starts getting good like after that. I don't know how to explain it.
Naman kayo, tanang kayo. Diyan nga ron, umay.
It really doesn't. One Piece is like one of those things, man.
Ti anak ko, no,
It
di
says
na
I gotta
kaya.
go straight here, but like where? Let's wait for this truck. Oh, you're 200 episodes behind. Yeah, I thought you said you were 200 episode in. That's like, it's not even like HD yet.
Masaya, nag-itibisyo ang kayo.
I gotta go in this little tunnel thing?
Ay na, tila ibagbagang manag. Mapagkakidain.
Ay.
Aramidang. Di mo tumaawis ti anak ko ang mapanagbisyaw.
There's been a bunch of, I fixed a lot of things on the setup.
Pagta nakita ka kabagis na rin. Ni bayaw
Not
mo
that it
amanin.
was that broken,
Intaray na
but
ka
there
ng
were a
Diyos
lot of
pitahan.
features
Apay ka
that I wanted to add. None of this is noticeable in the slightest. But to me, it's nice. I got a little dashboard here
Kumusta ka nun
where I can see everything that works, and it's pretty nice. Pretty nice.
Anya, ay una
The train ride coming here was also, I don't know, I haven't been outside. It got really cold. It was cold, but now it's like cold. What does it say on the thing? 7 degrees. That's still doable. But it got cold.
Apay kami na nagmotor ka na bartag.
After that many episodes. Nah, the thing about One Piece, it does drag on, right? So every arc, I just take a little break, watch other things for a bit, and then move on, get back to it. Because it's just too much of a thing. Remember, people like Ayumi, right? Like people that are in Japan and watch anime. They had to wait a week per episode. Imagine waiting a week for an episode and then it's some filler flashback thing. You know what I mean?
Papanan nyo na lang.
And then you gotta wait like a whole new
May
week
asino na tayo.
per episode. Because in reality, right? Like I had One Piece, which is like the abbreviated version, but I'm back to the main One Piece series because it was cutting out.
Senior na lang, idinapanabulan.
Ungarod na lang. Nagsimpo da dya akalugaran tayang. Manipod ubingat. Ikanak itimulan na aprutas iji arubayan da. Aging galim makay ka na parabol lata.
Ay talaga nasingpet day jay anak ko. Awan pulos makunakken kwa na. Managtulong itipada na tao. Ay, naadaan matpiman iti sakit nga isumet ti impatay na.
Ay, urahin da nga ta umaya makilamay. Agpuli sa labi ay.
May kayong magayam. Nakilamay kayong magayam ipagdalain.
Ha? Ay, sos. Kaimimbag mo pa ilaang am nabartek ka manan, manang.
Sana ka nabartak. Nakainumak lang. Sa nga gasot mo makidipag. Tayo nakitaya, bareng makatsamba.
Ay na, iparit dati sugal dito'y lamayan.
Kanya nga'y paret. Itulog na. Diyan mismo nga, Kimbala, iti nangirwar, iti baraha.
Anya? Ay na, agawid kakit den taing kamaturaw. Ay na, tanggadan pa'y matdagita sugat mo agas ka pa'y laan saan?
Sana ni Pag. Naibusin. Isa, mabalin manaw.
Ay nakabagis. Kay tabtabon laang day di paris kung adaman na tayo nakalugaran tayo.
Sino man ang kabagays?
Jay nasingpot atano dito'y barangay tayo, ni Ruding.
Anya, apay kanungayan na tay.
Naatake ka numat. High blood ka nung amin.
Kastaya? Ala, sapay nasingpot day dya atanaw. Nagagat nga agriskyaw no ada aberya dito'y barangay tayaw. Narespeto pa'y day dya abaraw.
Wun nga rod Adumutan ati na itultulong na kada kami day dya atanod. Adapay kidi utang ko kang kwa na Isu ngayon naktubayadan kan ni baka na.
Inta makipalot ka anakan.
Ha? Di makisugsugal lang, Kyle.
Padasan ka day. Uray maminsan lang. Kita no ulit-ulitan. Ay sos, mayat si ka. Nang runa no mga baka ka anakan.
Saan nang, Kyle? Manjak?
Ay nasingput ka launay nataw. Maditikas na. Apay, kaya't mo timatay adagaos.
Ha?
Paliiwam dagiti matmatay diti lugar tayo. Puro na sisingpay dagiti matay. Kita ba? Nagsasaruno dagiti natay diti lugar tayo. Adaya nadamag mo abarumbado anatay. Kaawang paymay.
Kyle?
Iso anarigrigat amatay dagiti masamang damaw. Iso adi kag singsingpay. Ta mabiit ka matay nukas ta.
Insan, ada ni Auntie Dalen.
At dami, insan. Apay, anya masapol mo ngay kanina na. Ay, sumra ka.
Agyaman na kinsan.
Apay ngay tagsay kamutay.
Umay ko kumay baga ka ni Auntie. Kanoray si kamatan Umay ko kumay baga. Nga ada na duktalan dagiti doktora sakit ko.
Anya? Apay anya sakit mo, insan?
Ada kanser ko kat adan taning tibiyag ko, insan.
Anya?
Diyak pa'y lamaklon day ti anamwa kasinsin. Iso amay si stresak. Kaya't ko ayab kas ti sakit ti barukong ko. Matyam mo ka madingay naramid ko iti padak ka tao. Ngam no apya na pasamak ti kastoy kanyak. Diyak matukod da panunutan, insan.
Intaray da ka naman ang dya ospital dya kasinsin mo, anak kaw. Kimaro ka no tirikrik naan na.
Ay, kasi mo da dya kasingsingaw. Sapay iso ti kasingputan nga anak ni Auntie Insa. Ay, nasingput da maki di amay. Ngam ni Insan Georgia ti kasisingputan para kanya. Ay, nanang, di kay makadlaw.
Apay.
No asino pa'y dagiti nasisingput ka isuda mo ti matay.
Ha?
Iso huston sa mo, di ko na ni Uncle Manang. Anarigat amatay, dagatay dakis ti ramid na.
Ay na. Ay ran-ran nala siguro
Saman! Ada punto ni Uncle, iti kanayon na ngay baga kanyak. Kita nyo ni Uncle Manang. Nagdakis ti ugali na. Mamartay, sugadar, nagtatakaw pa'y. Namin anon ana disgrasya. Ibagbagada pa'y 50-50 ti biyagnan. Nagbiag mo ilata. Iso Mamatiaksan ka ni Uncle ka?
Ha? Anyat kayat mo asawan?
Madin sa tinasing po unay, nanang. Tama biit amatay.
Anya? Ay, tila sa asawam. Kas jay laang tikuna ni Uncle mo tapno adda kadwa na nga agbisyaw. Di na ka ngamin maalukoy nga agbisyaw. Iso atila ibagbagana. Patpatsam day jay nga Uncle mo. Di na amaw ti ibagbagana day jay.
Natay mo gaya maninsan mo a Georgia nataw.
Ay, wangar Uncle. Di na nalasatan ti sakit na. Kasi, Mike, nagsingpo day nga insang kaw. Iso ti close ko akasinsin kaw, akaanakan ni nanang.
May sama na napamanagnag na itanataw. Nasingpet man ang ginatay. Iso ka, agpanunot ka, ta nasapa pa tiyamain. Agpalpaliw ka.
Ha? Apa inya kaya mo sa uwangay? Inya kumabaliwak ang kal?
Baliwang tao galayim. Di ka unay agbalin ang nasingpet. Agpakawala ka matay ka anakan. Kita enak. Namid adon ang nadisgrasya. Nagbalin pa yan a critical tibiyag ko. Hanggang, si bibiyaga lata.
Ha?
Kita mo dyan may sa kalugaran tayaw. Naguyag. Idikwan, naggurigor. Pagamuam tanatayan. Nasingpit man ang dayjay. Iso amaditag singsingpit na to. Agwul-wul kakiday.
Ay, ano maminsan? Adamo agpaiso punto yung kal. Tapod no dagiti bagbagayaw, pasig anasingpit dagiti matay.
Patsen na kunak to magkaka. Iso ano kayat mo, nga umatidog tibiyag mo. Ay tuladan hap. Sumurot ka kanya, tayo takidag hapi-hapay. Bayam nga ibagada barumbado ta. Tinapatag, umatidog tibiyag ta kanakan.
Papanam katrabeen anak kaw.
Ay, kwa, ingkam makisala nanang. Kadwa niyang kalmanahing.
Anya? Ay, nay kita Di ka unay makikuy-kuyog iti dayjay nga ulitag maw. Ta isong-song na ka iti dakas dayjay.
Pagbigyak. Takanayon na nga awisin no kas di nga napapanan na. Kanayon kumapaayang.
Italaang dayta Tanay, adapay trabahom inton bigat anak kaw. Agawid ka adagaws.
Yag mo amin na kwartam nataw, tapangabakan ta.
Ay na.
Awanan Intag ko aming kingkan. Naipaabak amin na kwarta kaon.
Adya! Ay, sayang. Apay, awan kwartam iji bangko aya, ta inta mangirwar.
Jak inala, tiitiin ko angkal. Ada iji balay.
Sige, inton bigat ngarudan. Agsublitan to ditaw. Inta pa'y kidiag siya.
Pangalantang iti pagsat ta.
Adda sukik a pag-iinuman. Mabalin ta ti umutang ijay. Utangan ta, ti inuman ta.
Nataw! Agreeing ka, aldawan! Uy, Nataw!
Apay ayan nanang.
Aldawan! Apay di ka mapanag trabaho itaya.
Aglangan na sakit tiulaw. Kung makatulturo nga.
Out a lot, and I didn't like it. So the funny thing about One Piece is every episode is about 20 to 30 minutes, but realistically, there's only 10 minutes of new content. It starts with the theme song, and then there's a flashback, and after the flash, then there's first there's like, every episode does this. Every episode is like, it has like a full 5 to 6 minutes recap of everything that happened up until that point, with like a map and stuff where they are. And then there's like a full 5 minutes flashback from the last episode. And by the time you get to the title card, which by the way, it spoils the episode. It literally just tells you who's gonna die and what's gonna happen in the episode. You get like 10 minutes of new content, and then it's the end credits for another 5 minutes. So you literally have to skip like 15 minutes worth of things every episode. When they're mostly flashbacks. And sometimes the actual episode is also flashbacks, because it calls back to something that happened even earlier. So it's crazy. Like, Impel Down is about 93 episodes for the season, because it says it. And if you watch One Piece, which is really good, One Piece, it's blocked in Japan, of course, but I think you guys can just stream it on that website. It's called onepace.com or something. Like pace with P-A-C-E. And it goes from 93 episodes to 10. There's 10 episodes of this whole thing. Like, everything that happened here is only 10 episodes. What car is that?
Ala, aganos ka abayaw, takas dati pinilim agasat mau.
Mid-anime? Nah, see, once you cut out all the cutter, it really is, you gotta just read the manga. That's the secret. You gotta just read the comic. And then it really is one of the greatest pieces of fiction. Like, it's good. It's really good. But it's really hard to defend the series. Was that a sore? Yeah, 10 episodes, because there just isn't that much. They go down to the bottom, they get to Ace, but then he's already gone, and then Ace is up to the top, and then they go back to the top. That's the whole thing, but it takes 93 episodes to get there. And they introduce a lot of new characters and stuff too, so
Tinungpal ko nga
it's not all bad.
Apan nagsingsingpet ko manan. Aklo na ka nakula apan di panunot ko. Ngam na amiris kumat na.
What up, Danny? What up, everybody? We're back to walking and yapping. Don't worry. I didn't go anywhere. I was just I had to recover. Yeah, I love One Piece, but yeah, it's such good lore. It's, if you like lore and connecting characters and callbacks to things that happened earlier, it's a great series. But you gotta just read the comic, to be honest. Reading the manga is just, it's just so much better. I think I gotta go through here.
Ang sermon kayo manan nana. Makaringring kayo manan.
Often spoil the episode. It's crazy, Pichon, right? Yeah. Yamcha dies. Yeah. No, but One Piece, it's like a sentence. Luffy finally escapes, but it's too late because the person he was trying to save dies. And also Nami is doing something. Like, that's it. That to 10 minutes worth of episode, they just sum it. It's literally like a summary. It's crazy, man. Alright, where do I gotta go here? So, yeah.
Change topic, nanang, please.
Yeah. Man, I'm in the mountains again. It's nice out here. I haven't been. Man, fresh air is nice. I really have been inside of my house for like a couple weeks. The remake series? That's fine. The Netflix one is good too. I'm looking forward to the new season. Like I said, One Piece does a great job. They just use their source material is kind of low quality, so it's like low res for a lot of it. But I do recommend it. You get through it just easier. But it's also there's a point to it. Like when I watch One Piece, like the abbreviated version, it gets to a point where I don't remember because it goes so fast and the information doesn't really stick. Like every time they do all the flashbacks and stuff, it kind of does help pinpoint where they are. Like when there's like a building and they're all in different rooms, they have like these little graphs that'll show that. No, I was like out magnet, man. I was saying before, I was so like physically out of it. I just sat on the couch, just chilling. Like I didn't do anything. I didn't play any video games. No, I played a little bit of Burning Crusade. Burning Crusade came out, and I got a character in there. I got a little dwarf up to like level 16 or 17, which in Burning Crusade takes a bit more. But not really. No, not really. If you guys got a good FPS, I'm looking for one of those. But at some point, I was so tired of not doing anything, I just started working. Like I was very productive the last couple of days. Like I said, if you're on Patreon, then you've seen how much, effort has been put. There's a completely new episode, brand new 4am laundry. It's not a compilation. It's, brand new game hunting episode. There's a really cool video I'm working on. I'm very excited about it. I'm not going to tell you guys about it yet. But it's taken a while to edit. And my whole thing with Utah, the whole project, it's been postponed. We're doing it Monday. I canceled everything, man. Yeah, One Piece was ahead of the curve, catering to our fried dopamine receptors. Yeah, YouTube on your... I was just doom scrolling, dude. Just doom scrolling. The most garbage reels. Send them to the group chat. But I'm made cafe. Nah, it's nothing like that. But we're completely good. We're fine. Nice truck. Really nice truck. We're completely back to normal. We're one of my favorite places to go game hunting. I'm gonna take it easy. Financially, we also just didn't buy anything, so that's nice. The unboxing is gonna be short and sweet this month. Unless I find like 1 million games for 1 yen. In which case, I'm gonna just start a store. But it's been good. It's been good. We kept moving, and I've just been very slowly recovering, man. That's kind of what it is. It's very hard. You know what I mean? Sometimes your body just needs a break. I guess my body just took the opportunity to be like, hey man, while you're here, let's fix this. What up, Stargate? Chilling, man. Vegan.
Anak takman. Napay ang kastoy. Ayaw.
Amom, Lando,
Naku, tigas.
nagpintas ka si ka.
Ha? Uray mo't si ka. Nagtaer ka dyan,
Kasta ka di. Apay no. No. Datan.
Ano yan? Sigurado nga dyan, Kaya't mo kas kanya?
Sige ngay. Kaya't nakadimot, Lando.
Ang kwa. Saan ka narigat nga ayatan dyan,
Uy, sika, Lando. Patsik. Masuro-suro kan tungayatan.
No kasta, agjo tangarudan,
Agpay suma. Awan binabaw yan, Lando.
Uwan, Jana, I love you, Jana.
Baliktad, Lando.
Ha?
Siyak tirumbang mo namang ibaga iti I love you.
Aya,
I love you, Lando.
I love you too, Jana.
Saling! Di mo lang nakita, Jayan ako. Ada nga minang ibaga kanya kahit madama ka na ti panaginom na dito yung store mo.
Ha? Ala! Napananda nga yan nagitidwa. At dadala itay dito sa angot store ko. Nga mamanda mga dito yan.
Ha? Sino ti kadwa na naginumaya?
Ni Jana, nana.
Anya? Ay kahit nagkuyog da nga ta? Ay, napananda nga yan.
Diyak mo na si putan na nung nagkuyog da. Kano napananda, nana.
Ay, naglukon da dya tao. Di pa lang amin mga asawa. Tapno agtalnan. Huh?
Ngam amuyaw. Agsinsin nangi damot itay nakainumdan.
Anya? Ay, napanman siguro niti ayan dagiti barkada na. Sige, nako, mapanak nga rudan, wine.
Jana. Ay, Jana. Agriin ka. Aldawan.
Apay. Ha? Lando? Apay na kay data?
Sana bale? Taawan na pasama kiti nagbaitan ta. Nagkaangbay tala.
Ha? Sigurado ka?
Wen, imposible yan, di mo malagip ti amin. Nabartik tang agpaiso. Ngam amok tinararamid ko anya.
Ha?
Kan maysa, siyang tirumbang agdanag saan asika. Lalaki ka anya. Girl laluak man.
Ha? Kat, kasano? Paysunta ka din. Di nagsaritaan tayo di kalman.
Wanan Tapno, sardingan datan dagiti dadakkel ta sirmunan. Makauma, denggan na giti sermon ta. Makatitilang.
Awin nga rod. Ha? Kaya't da nga na mga sawa kon.
Uray ni nanang ko. Kastama ti kahit na mapasama. Mga sawa ka nun. Tapno, makaputo ta.
Uray siya. Kaya't ni tatang ko nga ganakak. Tapno, ada ka numot apo ko na kanyak.
Sige nga ron. Dumanon kayo dyan ha.
Loko. Da kayo ati dumanon. Ung tanak manan ni tatang ko na. No ibagak ada kami ti dumanon.
Ay, wala niya. O sige. Dumanon kami nga roden. Ibagak kininanang ko.
Tatang. Mga sawa kon.
Mamin ano aya nga ibagak asan ang mabaleng nga makikasar ka iti pada mababae. Lalaki iti pakiasawam sa nababae.
Katuan mo tatang. Lalaki ya talaga.
Ha? No kasta? Pudpudno kan a babae anak ka? Saan kan alakyan?
Di yun damagan day tatatang. Basta. Mga sawa kon. Period.
Ay na! Ha! Kamagyanan na! Nakapanurot ka mo ilangan. Kay asino ti pakiasawam? Asino ti nubyam?
Urayan nyo rata na. Dumanon dan. Inton pikat. Ay na! Maragsa ka na kitiday taan na ibagaman ako. Ay na! Sapay la ko ma. Tasanak nga agtag. Tagay na plang nga nakaw. Pud no kumaday tuyan.
Pudpudno mo't talaga nanang. Makiasawa akon. Isa dumanon tayon.
Sige nga raw dan ako. Sino nga iti danunan tayo?
Ijay balay da dyan na.
Ha? Jana? Sino ti asawam? Ha? Sino ko mati asawam ijay? Nakiasawa mo amin, nakakabsat nan.
Ni dyan na ti mga asawa kanyak. Ay, asawa ak nanang.
Anya? Sigurado ka?
Wan! Di mat kas natikat nyo. Babae ti asawaan. Babae mat ni Jana. Isong asawaan kon.
Anya?
Jana ganlan daw. Sakbay at ulagan tayo ti kasaliyaw. Sigurado kayo. Akap-kap na kanyang titunggal maista.
Restaurant.
Uwan gagpaisaw, Lando.
No, I'm not that. It's not that far.
Saan na bareng-bareng.
But yeah, we're chilling, boys. We're chilling. It's really cold. It's kind of windy out here. But the sun helps a lot, though. We found a convenience store so I can get rid of this cup.
Sure na sure kami nga roon, nanang.
Nanang, tatang, sigurado kami.
But yeah, no, happy to be back, man. I miss streaming, miss talking to you guys a lot. But I really wasn't. I almost contemplated doing like a little desktop stream on the second channel, but nah. I really just didn't have the energy for anything. Yeah, crazy times, man. Be careful. And there's nothing you can do to prevent it, really. Like, washing your hands doesn't kill it. Alcohol doesn't kill it. Hi. There's nothing you could have done to prevent it. It's just this mean virus that lives for up to 2 months on surfaces. I'm good now because I think you got like a buffer period after you got it.
Thank you.
Who's for AIM Laundry? I don't know, man. There's a lot of weird people out there that like to impersonate me, both in name and what I do. I don't know. It's live and let live. You guys know how to find me. You saw them follow a Japanese streamer? Well, I got a lot of haters out there. What can you say? There's only one 4am laundry. And I make sure to register this name on any new thing that pops up as soon as I can. Just for that reason. Because there's some really weird people out there. 4A laundry, yeah. I'm sorry, you're right. That guy taught me everything I know. Boy, that's out of my hands. You're putting together a curved glass case? Ooh. I love those. Salty as Vegemite. You got an impersonator, Salty? Tarnishing the good name of Mr. Salty? What bad things could they say about you? Not in my stream, Salty. I'll defend you. I'll defend you, brother. There will not be any salty as Vegemite slander in my chat. Oh, I forgot I had the sandwich wrapper. What does Vegemite taste like? Horse shit. It's not good, but that's not the point. I'm talking about the guy.
Ay, balayan Ariel. Madan di Jena.
Punya raw, abalayan pila. Pagkas magkipanagsitidyan ko. Sasarunan mo kay anak.
It's a surf shop. I think.
Maikalipad.
Rhythm line. Yeah, you guys like Vegemite? Nah, I'm not a Vegemite hater. I just don't get it. It's not that great. It's okay on toast. I don't get the like shapes. Australians love, there's a chips called shapes. It's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. I guess it's like, it reminds you of home. It's like a specific taste. You prefer to put butter and jelly on toast? Ah, dude, peanut butter and jelly saved my life, dude. I forgot how delicious those are. I got like blueberry jelly, and I got strawberry jelly, and then I got peanut butter, like Skippy. My grocery store just sells Skippy. Y'all know about Skippy? What you know about Skippy? It was great. Put some Skippy on one toast, jelly on the other one, squish it together. Do you recommend going to Japan around September? Yeah, but Listen, there's a couple things. I get this question a lot, right? I get it.
Tatang, nanang.
What is this?
Yung amin nga po ko yun
Fancy looking building. If only I could read.
Ura man no, da kami lang tiro mo ron ako.
Sino kung mga itikadwa dagiti tatar kan nagpipintas
It's the city hall.
No, banawan nyo ida.
It's community safety promotion. Oh.
Aniya!
Yeah, this is the city hall.
Ayan tayo maikadwa nga po ko tan.
Listen,
Makita abalayan.
there's a couple things you gotta figure out, right? September is a vacation period, so there's gonna be a lot of people here, both locally and internationally. So if you like crowds, then sure. And also, it's gonna be really hot. It's gonna be really hot. Lotus cookies with Skippy. Ooh, I like both of those things. I never combine them though. That's a new one. That's a new one. I don't have access to Lotus cookies, so. Yeah, blueberry is some good, right? Grape jelly, yeah, we don't have the Welch's though. Y'all like Welch's? I love Welch's. Or Smuckers. But Japan has good jelly though. There's good jam and jellies. And there's mango ones, it's good. So like when you're coming to Japan and you have the luxury to pick a date, think about those things, right? The summers are hot and the winters are cold. So if you're good with those, you should figure that one out. And but the summers in particular can get really hot, like very, very hot, like heat stroke. But if you're like Australian, you know, you're built a bit tougher. You know what I mean? Australians, they can handle that because they got a hole in the ozone layer and they're still there. You know, strong people. But if you're like from Switzerland or from like Norway and your skin is like see-through white, maybe avoid the summer a little bit because it gets really hot. You know what I mean? Yeah, if you're Texan.
A wyvern, like dragon but 2 legs. A yeti, Bigfoot in the snow. Bigfoot, giant footprints. Where is he? Nessie! Peek out of the lake. A jackalope. Rabbit with antlers. Garuda. Giant golden bird. A naga. Magical snake with crown. Starfish. 5 arms like star. Grow back. Sea urchin. Ball of needles. A crab walks sideways. Snip, snip. Hermit crab, house on their back. Fastest punch. P-O-W. A nautilus. Perfect spiral shell. Sea anemone. Wavy tentacles. Clownfish home. Coral. Coral. Looks like plant, but it's animal. Giant clam. So big shell. Nudibranch. Sea slugs, so colorful. Sea sponge, like SpongeBob. In ocean. Horseshoe crab, like a tank. Very old. Coconut crab. Climb trees. Crack coconuts. King crab. Legs TAS long. Barnacle. Stick to rocks forever. A butterfly. Beautiful wings. Was caterpillar. Monarch butterfly. Fly thousands miles. Blue morpho. Most beautiful blue. Monarch butterfly. Fly thousands miles. Ladybug. Red black spots. Eat bad bugs. A bee. Buzz buzz make honey. Bumblebee. Round fluffy buzz. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. Soon becomes butterfly. Fire ants. March, march. Don't touch. Leaf cutter ant. Carry leaf umbrella. Caterpillar. Soon becomes butterfly. Open shellin' and fly. Surprise! Stag beetle. Big pincers like deer. Hercules beetle. Lift 850 times body. A moth. Love lights. Flutter. Luna moth. Big green glow moonlight. Leaf insect. Look like leaf. Amazing. A cicada. Loudest insect. Loudest insect. A moth. Love lights. spider. Luna moth. Big green glow moonlight. Atlas moth. Biggest moth. H-U-G-E wings. A cockroach. Super fast runners. Water strider. Walk O-N water. Tarantula. Big fuzzy. Actually gentle. Spider. Make webs round, round. Black widow. Red mark, danger R. Jumping spider. Big cute eyes, J-U-M-P. Wolf spider. Mama carries all babies. Orb weaver. Perfect round webs. Huh? Pill bug. Roll into ball, roly-poly. Emperor scorpion. G-L-O-W under light. Assassin bug. Sneaky bug hunter. Orchid mantis. Looks like a flower. Giant water bug. Grab with big legs. Dragonfly baby. Crawl out and transform. Silkworm. They make silk. Spin, spin. Scarab beetle. Sacred in Egypt. Click beetle. They C-L-I-K and flip. Longhorn beetle. Antennae S-O long.
The transcription features a woman speaking, interspersed with the sounds of bells ringing and a slight jingling of jewelry.
Termites. Build towers taller than you. Ants. Army ants. March, march, army. Hoverfly. Hover in one spot. Magic. Silverfish. Fast silver wiggly. Mayfly. Live only one day. Dance. Lace wings. Lace wings. So delicate. A dragon. Roar. Fire breath. A unicorn. horn! Magical sparkly horn! Pegasus! Flying horse! Into clouds! A griffin! Eagle and lion together! A kraken! Giant sea monster! Ah! Thunderbird! Flap, T-H, wonder! Boom! A kitsune! Fox and 9 tails! Magic! A hydra! Cut 1, T-W-O, grow back! Cerberus! Dog, T-H, 3 heads! Woof, woof, woof! A sphinx! Ah! Answer my riddle! A basilisk! Don't look in eyes! A roller! They roll in the air! A manticore! Lion with scorpion tail! A wyvern! Like dragon but 2 legs! A yeti! Bigfoot in the snow! Bigfoot! Giant footprints! Where is he? Nessie! Peek out of the lake! A jackalope! Rabbit with antlers! Garuda! Giant golden bird! A naga! Magical snake with crown! Starfish! 5 arms like star, grow back! Sea urchin! Ball of needles! A crab walks sideways. Snip, snip. Hermit crab, house on their back. Mantis shrimp. Fastest punch, P-O-W. A nautilus. Perfect spiral shell. Sea anemone. Wavy tentacles. Clownfish home. Coral. Coral. Looks like plant, but it's animal. Giant clam. So big shell. Nudibranch. Sea slugs, so colorful. Sea sponge, like SpongeBob, in ocean. Horseshoe crab, like a tank, very old. Coconut crab, climb trees, crack coconuts. King crab, legs T-A-S long. Barnacle, stick to rocks forever. A butterfly, beautiful wings, was caterpillar. Monarch butterfly, Fly thousands miles. Blue Morpho. My most beautiful blue. Monarch Butterfly. Fly thousands miles. Ladybug. Red black spots. Eat bad bugs. A bee. Buzz, buzz, make honey. Bumblebee. Round, fluffy buzz. Caterpillar, caterpillar. Soon becomes butterfly. Fire ants, march, march. Don't touch. Leaf cutter ant. Carry leaf umbrella. Caterpillar. Soon becomes butterfly. Open shellin' and fly. Surprise! Stag beetle. Big pincers like deer. Hercules beetle. Lift 850 times body. A moth. Love lights. Flutter. Luna moth. Big green glow moonlight. Leaf insect. Look like leaf. Amazing. A cicada. Loudest insect. Loudest insect. A moth. Love lights. Flutter. Luna moth. Big green glow moonlight. Atlas moth. Biggest moth. H-U-G-E wings. A cockroach. Super fast runners. Water strider. Walk O-N water. Tarantula. Big fuzzy. Actually gentle. Spider. Make webs round, round. Black widow. Red mark, danger R. Jumping spider. Big cute eyes, J-U-M-P. Wolf spider. Mama carries all babies. Orb weaver. Perfect round webs. into ball, roly-poly. Emperor Scorpion, GLOW under light. Assassin Bug, sneaky bug hunter. Orchid Mantis, looks like a flower. Giant water bug, grab with big legs. Dragonfly baby, crawl out and transform. Silkworm, they make silk. Spin, spin. Scarab beetle, sacred in Egypt. Click beetle. They CLIK and flip. Longhorn beetle, Antennae SO long.
The transcription features a woman speaking, interspersed with the sounds of bells ringing and a slight jingling of jewelry.
Termites, build